What is good, y'all? It's your boy DZ. Today we got something a little different for y'all. We are linking up with our homies at HVNY, Hudson Valley, New York Imports, and they got a couple of cool like Japanese mini trucks. We have this mini Pajero K car that we're actually going to be filming, possibly driving a little bit too. So we're actually going to link up with them right now. They're in Goshen. It's snowing, but luckily those cars are all 4x4s. So we'll be there soon. Follow me. Be there in a sec. But we are here at HVNY Imports. They got a couple of cool cars out here. We got some Suzuki mini trucks. We got some Mitsubishi mini trucks. We got this one right here with a plow on it. This thing is pretty awesome. And we have the VR2 1995 4x4 mini Pajero. This is what we're mainly going to be focusing on today. This is a very nice car. I mean, as you can tell, right-hand drive, obviously, right from Japan, 5-speed. We got back seats. We got a little trunk in here, so just for our reference, this is my camera bag. This is where I keep all my equipment and stuff. You can just, I don't know how to pop the trunk, but you know, there's a good amount of space in the back seat, good amount of space in the trunk. As you can see, I'm tall. This is how the seat goes back and forth. I'm gonna push it back a little bit, and this is how we fit in here. So surprisingly, we fit rather nice in here. Like, I'm a big dude. This is so weird holding the camera on my left. I'm so used to being on that side, holding it on my right. But this is actually, as you can tell, I got a lot of knee room. So I kind of did the wrong thing getting into the car. With these Japanese cars, especially with the K cars, the little ones, you got to try and lead with your left leg. So you're getting in, you have to kind of bend your leg like this because it'll hit the steering wheel. Bend your leg like that, you'll slide right in, no problem. Then got the little steering wheel lock. Start it up. Thing starts right up. This is a 25-year-old car, bro. This is fire. This thing is nice, super clean on the inside. There's a good amount of space going on in here. I'm still learning this car, not for nothing. So maybe I look a little cramped. I'm not really that cramped, but this seat goes back pretty goddamn far, bro. We got some space in this hole right here, man. I gotta get used to the whole, you know, whole left hand shifting. We got the 4 high, 4 low here, e-brake. This is gonna be, yo, I'm so used to literally putting my hand on this side to go neutral. So what we are working with today, we have a 1995 first gen Mitsubishi Pajero. It's a K car. So a K car is basically a micro car in Japan. What that can do, that'll save you on taxes, fees, insurance, etc. My guy from TNM bringing in 2 more right now. He got two more mini trucks. These got little liveries on it. That's for Legoland probably. Yeah, so it's a K car. It's about roughly 1,700 pounds. Some of them, that's probably for the rear wheel drive model. It's a little bit lighter. For the 4x4, it's probably gonna be around like 2,000 pounds, 2,200. It has a 4-cylinder motor in here, 660 cc's, turbocharged in this model. Particularly, this is the VR2 model that we're working with. Like, peep the Legoland shit. Yeah, these are definitely for Legoland. How do you turn the... Oh, that's the rear wiper. I don't even know how to turn the goddamn wiper on. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah. But really cool car. It's a really small car, but it's actually really big on the inside. Like I said, I'm 6'3", and I got, I'll say, a solid 3-4 inches of headroom up here. So my head is not going to be hitting anything on the bumps and whatnot. So it's a very decently sized car. Like, this is a very good sized car for the sizing of it. It can look a little bit deceiving on the outside, but it's not that bad. What makes this one in particular so special, this one has got 81,000 kilometers on this bad boy. That's not a lot of miles. I would say that's roughly what, 60K, just about, maybe, I don't know. We're gonna put the conversion right here. We got heat, we got AC in this bad boy. Oh damn, heat is metro booming in this bitch. God damn, I'm not even gonna lie. Outside, 1 degree Celsius. Let me turn it off. It don't get more JDM than that, y'all. 1 degree Celsius out here. And we got the compass right here too, so in case you want to know what direction you're traveling in.
That might be wrong, but I think, hold up.
Oh,
yeah, I was gonna say.
yo, the seats fall back on. Yeah, this is not bad. I mean, nah,
well, look.
Oh yeah.
You know, I don't really need to sit that far back. My knees are good right here.
Look at this.
And you're, you know.
Yeah, nah, this is
you're
insane. In the back of this mini Pajero.
So you have a flat surface.
Oh yeah.
So for real, if you had like, you know, your book bag, lunch.
Yeah. I can fit wheels and in the back here, like a set of wheels or two.
Yep. Like you could fit, like I said, you could fit 4 rims and tires in there probably.
Jeez, yeah. There's a ton of space in this.
15-inch rims on here too.
Oh yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah. So you can definitely find like, you know, different style of rim.
I'm gonna set the camera up real quick. We're gonna get a little bit of POV driving, talking to TM as well, and yeah, let's get to it. First initial thought, the left hand is weird. Like using my left hand to shift and everything is weird. I can't even get used to it really. I mean, you can get used to it, but you know, it's takes a little bit. Plus with this being a very underpowered vehicle, the gear ratio is a little bit different. So like you're gonna be shifting at 5-10 miles an hour compared to the other one. You'll shift at like 15. You can hear the little fucking turbo in this thing too. This little shit. Yeah, this thing is sweet. Yeah, I can picture myself daily in one of these.
Yeah. No, these are really comfortable to daily because the seats are reclined. Oh. You got like good leg room and stuff.
Yeah, I noticed
headroom,
when I first sat in here, I was like, all right, it's not that bad. It's a little tight, but then I realized this shit went back like 6 more inches.
Yep.
Kind of thing.
Yeah, the last guy who test drove it, he was short. He was like 5'5".
Yeah, it's not bad at all. It's like a regular car. It's like a little car.
Micro SUV. Feel that force on the turbo.
They got it for what it is.
Right?
Yeah, for what it is.
That's the first time I felt it that good too. I just took it around the park a lot of times.
Oh yeah.
I'm pretty covered, pretty good. But
Thanks. I got you.
over there in Florida, like, what? The rest of you.
Got you. So I think we got everything. Big shout out to the homies again. HV Imports. Appreciate y'all.
Thank you, bro.
Definitely be back soon, man. Yeah, I'm about to fucking drop bread on a Miata, bro. Now I might have to drop bread on this too. This shit fire, man. Definitely check them out. What's the address there?
183 Greenwich Avenue.
183 Greenwich Avenue in Goshen. Definitely check them out. Tell them DZ sent you. Get you mini truck, mini Pajero, whatever you want. They could probably source it. They could get it to you. Get it right to New York. Japan to NY, we're an hour up from the city, so no excuses. But definitely hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. And it's your boy DZ. Been in the game 10 years and you can't flow. Ain't a city in the 8 that I can't go. I'm valid all over the ace like a Kango. I take the V, fill it up with E, and I swing.